The Ford Mustang is not just a car. It is a legend on wheels, a symbol of freedom, speed, and the American spirit that has been going strong for 6 decades. The first Mustang was a sensation. Compact, stylish, and powerful, it embodied the dream of an affordable sports car. Its recognizable long hood and short rear became an icon of 1960s design. After the oil crisis, the Mustang became smaller and more economical. It was criticized for its weak dynamics, but it was this generation that allowed the model to survive and adapt to new realities. An era of angular shapes and new technologies. The Mustang became sporty again, light, maneuverable, and popular among street racers. This version gave us the cult spirit of the 80s. A complete overhaul, new design, smooth lines, and a return of muscle under the hood. The Mustang once again looked like a real predator, ready for high-speed adventures. Retro styling and powerful V8 engines made this Mustang a favorite of fans around the world. It combined the classics of the 1960s with modern technology, becoming a symbol of the legend's rebirth. The modern era of the Mustang. A new EcoBoost engine, advanced systems, independent suspension, and a premium interior. For the first time, the Mustang became a global model, conquering Europe and Asia. Over 6 generations, the Mustang has gone from a people's sports car to a symbol of engineering excellence. It remains a legend, combining power, style, and freedom, just as it did on the day it was born. The Ford Mustang is not just a car. It is a legend on wheels, a symbol of freedom, speed, and the American spirit that has not faded for 6 decades. Subscribe and like more videos on our channel.